Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a shoe that I need in my collection badly, man. I'm so happy that Nike decided to re-release this retro shoe right here. It's something that I needed in my collection. I'm a huge Nike basketball collector from back in the days, man, with the KDs and the early KDs and the early LeBrons and the early Kobe's and stuff like that, man. I'm a huge collector of those, of that era, right? That era was really big for the sneaker community, man. A lot of people was collecting now, wasn't really around back then, but that era was crazy, man. But we're talking about the LeBron 7 China Moons. This shoe was not available in the United States when they came out back in the days. They were only released in China only. So Nike did us a favor and dropped them over here globally so everybody's able to get a pair, man. Before we get into the show, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button. Help us get to 850 subscribers. Right now, we're approximately 811 or 12 subscribers, man. So if you're watching, if you're new here, hit that subscribe. Also, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we dropping new content to the channel. And also, we have a new website. If you guys want to get any Penny for Your Thoughts merch, any of these hoodies you guys see me wearing in the videos, any hats or anything like that, you guys could go straight to the website directly. It's p4yt2016.com. If you guys want to get any Penny for Your Thoughts merch, man, there'll be new drops dropping every other week. New items, new things, man. I got the spring summer collection coming, man. It's gonna be crazy on there. It's gonna be a lot of merch, so be on the lookout for that, man. But I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get into this shoe. Here you guys go. The LeBron 7 China Moon. Let's get straight into the shoe. As you guys see, you got the gold toe box here that goes all the way around the shoe. The gold leather toe box right here on the tips. I don't know if you guys can see. You got patent leather here. On the white shoe strings, you got James on the left foot. On the right foot, it says LeBron. You have a mesh tongue going straight up. And right here, you have the fly wire with the old LeBron signature, the Nike swoosh, white and gold. You come over here to the side, you have fly wire on the sides of the shoe. Back in the days, fly wire was big on the Nike basketball shoes. Back then, LeBron had them on his shoe. A couple of different inline Nike basketball shoes had them on there too. So you have the white swoosh with the gold outline here. Then you go around, you got the gold LeBron badge right here, go around to the back. You have the L here on the back of the shoe. On the left foot and on the right foot, you have a J for James. Come around here, you have the Chinese symbolism here on the inside of the shoe with the fly wire behind it. Come over here, you have a Nike swoosh on the inside, which is patent leather gold right here, swoosh. Then you have the fly wire in here, that's gold, see-through. Then you go to the airbag. On the airbag, you have a gold airbag here. Then you go to the bottom of the shoe, you have gold, white, you know, just all around the shoe. You have 3 on the left foot and 2 on the right foot for 23. That's the number that LeBron was wearing at that time, man. Just fire overall shoe. If you guys look at the other reviews I've done on LeBron 7s on this channel, I did the Akron LeBrons and I also did the red carpet LeBrons on this channel. You guys can check the channel. If you're new here, you can check the channel and go look, and you'll see what I'm talking about, man. But I consider the LeBron 7 one of the best overall basketball shoes of all time. Like, this shoe you can do with so many different things. You could do with shorts, you could do them with sweatpants, you could do them with jeans, you can do them with pretty much anything you want to wear, because the shoe is so sleek and it's so, like, it's skinny, man. A lot of basketball shoes back then, not now too much, but back then they were very bulky. A lot of bulky basketball sneakers, so you wasn't really able to do so much with them. You was only pretty much able to wear them on a basketball court, and this shoe right here kind of changed it. I would say like the earlier LeBron, like the LeBron 1s, LeBron 2s, those were kind of bulky, and then like the 3s are bulky also, but they not too bulky. And then like as you start going up to 4, 5, 6, they bulky but not as bulky. You're able to do different things with them, man. And this one right here, they finally got it all together where you can do everything with this one right here. I say the LeBron 7, the LeBron 8, you can definitely wear it at any given time you want to, man. And this white and gold colorway, China Moon colorway, was only released in China, man. So Nike, shout out to Nike for showing the love and letting us be able to get our hands on these, and you know, and releasing them globally so everybody can get their hands on them, because the LeBron 7 is one of the, if not, to me, it is the best LeBron out of the whole LeBron signature collection. It's the best LeBron, man. If you disagree, leave it in the comments below. He has so many classic colorways. They supposed to be coming out with some crazy colorways in the LeBron 7. They releasing not only like China exclusives and things like that. They're also releasing PEs. Like, there's a PE coming out that I've never even seen this shoe before in person. Like, everywhere you go to Fly, I seen it in person, but like if you go to like Flight Club or anything like that, this shoe is going for $8,000-$9,000, and Nike is releasing it. It's probably gonna be like a general release, like this was. You know, these sold out on the sneakers that when they first dropped them on the release date, but then Nike came back with the re-up and show love, and that's why I was able to get my hands on the pair. But this pair I'm talking about, these Fairfax LeBron 7s, man, like that, oh my god, man, crazy shoe. Just the LeBron 7, man. Pretty much every one that they're gonna come out with, I'm gonna try to get my hands on, man. But let me know what you guys think, man. The shoe is just clean, man. Like, got the gold, man, right here, tip, man, gold hair. Got the white shoestrings to go with it. These did not come with an extra pair of laces, as did most LeBron 7s. A lot of them didn't come with extra laces, but these are fire. These are fire shoe right here, man. Like, I got so many ideas, man. I'm gonna save these for the summertime, or I might just do them with some sweatpants or something, you know, just get a feel for them, or whatever the case may be. But let me know what you guys think. If you disagree, if you think they not fire, leave it in the comments below. But y'all know what time it is. Time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, man, I'm definitely gonna have to give these joints, man, 4.5 out of 5 pennies. LeBron 7 China Moons, globally released this time. Fire shoe, man. Just so much dopeness on this one shoe, man. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys don't think these deserve 4.5 out of 5 pennies, leave in the comments below. Well, we out of here. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.